Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, Think Magazine, Put into Geek. Today we've got the Amazon Smart Soap Dispenser. We're going to unbox that next. Alright, this is the Amazon Smart Soap Dispenser. It is a touch-free soap dispenser that gives you up to 3 months of charge. You don't need to have this plugged in. The battery will hold charge for up to 3 months, depending on how much you use it. Holds 12 fluid ounces of soap. Like I said, it's touch-free, so you don't have to press a button. Just put your hand underneath, boom, you're good to go. It gives you a variable dispensing option. It gives you a built-in timer for proper wash. It creates a routine for washing your hands so you can have it play a song, tell a joke, or something like that. Here it is right here. We have the Smart Soap Dispenser. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got inside. As Amazon has been doing lately with this cool little easy to open sticker right there. It says, "Hello, Smart Soap Dispenser," right there. Well, instructions, important information, and a lot more. Now, this is not an Echo. I believe you have to pair this to one of your Echoes in the house. So, all right, we've got the dispenser itself, and inside here, we've got a charge cable, simple micro USB to USB-A charge cable right there. And that's it. Those are the only two things in here. All right, this is a soap dispenser right here. Let's take a look at it really quick. Up on top, looks like we have a no music option. Basically saying no music if you want to keep it as silent as possible. On the back here, we have the power buttons right there. And then you pull this flap, that's where you put in that micro USB cable to charge it up. Like I said, it will charge every 3 months. Other than that, I don't see any buttons or anything like that. We do have the dispenser part right here, so it will dispense from the top, but right here is the little sensor. So if you put your hand underneath it, that's when it will dispense. Now, to open it up, simply have to turn this right here and pull. And there's the dispenser unit, and then of course this is where you put all your soap. Putting the soap. This is actually easier than some of these other dispensers because it gives me more than enough space to get the soap in there, not have to go through a small little spout. More than enough for what we're doing here. All right, I'm gonna put this on, tighten it up, bring that over. We'll go ahead and hit the button right here, and it lights up on top. We do have a blue light. It's trying to find our Echoes, because once again, you do have to pair it to another third generation or fourth generation Echo. So what we're going to do is we're going to call up the Amazon app right here and add the device. Actually, I didn't have to do anything. It saw it. It says Amazon Smart Soap Dispenser is ready for setup. We're going to hit the continue button. And then we're going to give the LA app permission to use. So allow. We're going to locate the QR code for your Amazon soap dispenser. It comes with the packaging, but there's also a QR code on the underside here. So let's go ahead and turn this back off. There's a QR code right there. I'm blocking. So the barcode's also right here. So let's go ahead and scan this from here. It says make sure your device is powered on, which it is. We're going to put this back in. It says connecting your Amazon soap dispenser to the Wi-Fi, and it says that it's connected. So we'll hit next, and we compare it to our Echo device. We touch and we hold the top button, that music button, for a couple seconds till it flashes. And now we're flashing. And the setup is complete. So we can set up a routine if we want to. Basically what happens is I can set up a routine to tell a joke or play a song or anything like that as we go from there. So we can let's set the volume all the way up, and then it's saying play a playlist, just that, or just do play success. So, and we can set a 20-second timer for whatever song we end up playing. And then when it's done, we play success. We could say squeaky door. We could do, we'll go back to success there. And then you can have LA say, nicely done. All right, it took a few times, but I think it's ready. There we go. So I got it all set up. Hopefully the fun fact's not going to go too long, but let's do this. So I got the routine set up. So once this activates, we got our echo down here that will tell us a fun fact and then give us tell us that we've succeeded and nicely done. So here we go. We'll just do that. I'll put the soap out.
Here's a fun fact about the weather. The driest city in the world is Antofagasta, Chile. Its average annual rainfall is just 1/10 of a millimeter. That stacks up to about 2 sheets of paper. Nicely done.
Now see, that gave me enough time to actually get my hands underneath the water and do all the washing as we normally do. And then when it's done, then it gives you the chime and says nicely done. This will help you wash your hands a lot more. And remember, when you do wash your hands, get between your fingers and do like this and do like this and do like this, and you get the idea. But this is going to be all hands-free. So when it's time to wash your hands, you just basically put your hand underneath. It's going to dispense some soap.
Fun fact about animals.
We can turn off the routine. If you want less soap, put your hand close to the dispenser. If you want more soap, put it farther away. There we go. So that is the Amazon Smart Soap Dispenser. Hands-free. You don't need to touch it, except if you want to just kind of turn off the volume on that, because this is not an Echo device. This pairs with an Echo device. Keep that in mind. But once it pairs, then you can use that as the speaker for music, for playing the fun fact, or whatever you want to do with this. Or you just turn it all off, turn off the routine, and then have it dispense soap like it's supposed to do. 3-month battery. We'll definitely be testing that as we go. And of course, you don't need to have it plugged in all the time, but when it's ready, when it needs to be charged, all you have to do is plug it in, let it charge, and then unplug it, and then go back to your daily routine. So